This video is only for educational purposes.
All set for a wild ride? Let's dive into the world of the 2025 Kenworth camper truck. A heavy-duty beast transformed into a mobile luxury command center. Built for people who don't just travel, they conquer. Picture a rugged Kenworth T880 or even a custom cab over C500 or W900L, but outfitted as a full-blown luxury motorhome. Kenworth's Truck chassis, normally hauling heavy loads, becomes your rolling fortress with double or triple axle backup, Cummins diesel power, and optional conversions from ARI legacy sleepers that turn brute strength into boutique living. Under the hood, the heavy-duty Kenworth platform is the foundation. Models like the T880 or W900L. These rigs are built to last. Kenworth even continues producing the W900L and W990 models into 2025 despite planned phase-outs in coming years. Power? This rig doesn't stop until you stop. The sleeper conversions include onboard generators, solar hookups, 3-bag air ride systems, heating/AC integrated into the cab sleeper mass, and PTO options to run tools or appliances off chassis power. On capability, some builders go even further with Kenworth 4x4 conversions, locking diffs, high/low range transfer cases, and massive off-road shocks or even 6x6 drive lines. Imagine crossing deserts or logging trails while still enjoying granite counters and a queen bed inside. Real overland enthusiasts on Reddit share that rigs based on these Kenworth chassis attract looks and deliver unmatched durability. Some even liken them to casual million-dollar RVs thanks to their size and sculptural presence, though they tend to come with long build lead times and premium price tags. If your dream is waking up in remote places, desert dunes, alpine passes, or national forest clearings, in a rig that handles rough roads like a pro and lives like a high-end home, this is the answer. You pull in, lower your air suspension, step out under an awning, cook dinner in a kitchen sturdier than most apartments, then crash on a bed with Real Sleep Tech. And you're not dependent on hookups or campsite schedules. Cost? These builds generally start around $200,000 and easily climb to $500,000 or more depending on platform, conversion level, go-anywhere capability, and luxury finishes. But compare that to a quality expedition yacht or custom build over years. As one Redditor put it, a mobile fortress wrapped in refined living is hardly overpriced when it moves on 18 wheels. So here's a question to ponder. If your home could go everywhere and last forever, and it could run on highways or wild trails without sacrificing comfort, where would you take it? If that idea got your heart racing, hit subscribe, give a thumbs up, and drop a comment telling me your dream destination for this Kenworth camper beast. Mountains? Desert roads? Remote beaches? Let's plot it out together. This is Brake Limit Z, where rugged meets refined and freedom gets wheels. I'll catch you in the next video.